Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Porchy Tech. So as you can see, I have in front of me again another Amazon Prime package. So today I have an unboxing of an iPhone 11 Pro Max case. But before I get into this video, please head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified as soon as I have another upload on this channel. Okay, so now I'm at 188 subscribers, trying to get to 1,000. So please show your support by hitting that subscribe button and turn on that bell. Alright, and sharing this video would be greatly appreciated. Alright, so on my comment section I see that someone pretty much wanted to see how to remove the case from the iPhone, which I know it's pretty hard to remove sometimes. So it came to mind that I have these iPhones right here. Let me put this aside for a minute. I have the midnight green, I have the midnight green ultra hybrid case for the 11 Pro Max, as you can see here, midnight green. All right, I have the 11 Pro, this is the silver version, and I have the ultra hybrid transparent case with the rose gold edges around it. All right, and here, as you can see, I have a regular rubber case on this one. All right, so this is a flexible case with the bottom open here, and this is the space gray iPhone 11 Pro Max. As you can see, this is a space gray. Let me remove this one, and this is the midnight green. So you have pretty much the reflection here makes them look kind of similar, but as you can see here, you see the midnight green and the space gray. All right, so here it is. You can see the difference now with the colors. All right, so what I got was the space gray ultra hybrid case to go with the space gray 11 Pro Max. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this case so you can see what it looks like on the space gray iPhone 11 Pro Max. All right, and if you want to get this case, I'm gonna link it in the description below, so you can go ahead and click that link and you can purchase this case. All right, so this is 11 Pro Max space gray case. All right, so you can see matte black at the bottom. So the matte black, it's gonna have the matte black edges around it. So let me go ahead and unbox this for you. And as you can see, typical stuff that comes inside the box. All right, so this is the case. I'm gonna take this out the package. And also on my channel here, you can see the unboxing on this one. I did the unboxing for this case for the midnight green, and now I'm doing the space gray. So as you can see, that the space gray, for the space gray iPhone, we have the transparent back as usual with the matte black edges around it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic off the back here. Let's remove that slowly. All right, so that's removed, and there's also one here on the inside that we have to remove before we put this on the phone. All right, so you can see how clear that gets since we remove the lining inside with the plastics. Let me throw these away. All right, so this is the case. See how transparent that is? Looks really nice and clean with the matte black edges. So we're gonna go ahead and place this on the space gray 11 Pro Max, so you can see. So you can put it right here, and voila, that's how it looks. So this is how it looks. Really beautiful, guys. I would definitely recommend this case if you have the space gray 11 Pro Max with the black edges around it. All right, so this is what it looks like. Really nice. So on my channel, someone in the comment section, as I said before, wanted to see how to remove this case from the phone. Pretty easy. So I'm going to show you right now. This is the top of the phone right here at the back, as you can see. So when you're putting the case on, you put the top in first. So I'm going to show you how to remove it. So to remove this case easily, you're gonna do it from the bottom first. So you hold the phone like this, upside down, you pull one edge off, then the other edge, and then it pops right out like this. Really easy. All right, so to put it back in, always put the top first. Boom, that's how easy it goes on. To get it off, turn it upside down and pop the edges off, and that's it. Okay, so hope that helps you out with placing the phone in the case and removing it from the case. Pretty easy. All right, so again, look at this, really nice with the space gray. I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much put this case on the 11 Pro Max midnight green, so you can see the color combination there, just in case you want to go ahead and try something different. All right, so this is the midnight green case, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the space gray iPhone inside and see what it looks like. All right, that's it. It's not bad. It goes pretty well with the space gray iPhone and the matte black case. All right, so let me take this off. I'm gonna go ahead and put the matte black on the midnight green case, so you can see what that looks like as well, just in case you want to go with a different color. All right, so let's put the matte black on here. That's what it looks like. Still goes pretty well with the midnight green phone, so whichever one you go with, it looks really nice. So this is what it looks like with the midnight green and the matte black case. All right, take a closer look at that. All right, let me take this off, and I'm gonna put the midnight green case back on the matte black so you can get another look on that, see what it looks like. There it is. Let me bring it a little closer for you guys. That's what it looks like. All right, so again, to remove, you turn it upside down and just pop one side off, then the other side, and the phone comes right out. All right, so again, that's the end of another video. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope this helps you out in deciding which color case you should get for your iPhone and the kind of case. All right, and if you're contemplating on buying this case, I would definitely recommend it. It's a nice case and it looks really nice on the iPhone. So I know it's a little late doing this video because the iPhone 12 is about to be released soon, and I'm doing this for the 11 Pro Max, but just in case you have the 11 Pro Max and you want to keep it for another year or two, then you might as well get good protection and a stylish case. All right, and this is a good one. So hope this helps you out in deciding to get a case and makes your decision easier for you. All right, so again, thank you for watching. This is the end of the video. Remember to head on down below, hit the subscribe button, turn that notification bell on as soon as you get to the end of this video. Okay, so peace out.